10 Best ChatGPT Prompts for WordPress Security. When it comes to WordPress security, users often have a range of concerns, from basic protections to advanced preventive measures. Here are 10 prompts tailored for such queries. 1. ChatGPT prompt for basic WordPress security. What are the foundational steps I should take to secure my WordPress site? 2. ChatGPT prompt for WordPress login protection. How can I protect my WordPress login page from brute force attacks? 3. ChatGPT prompt for WordPress plugin safety. How do I ensure the plugins I install are secure and not vulnerable? 4. ChatGPT prompt for WordPress backup solutions. What's the best way to regularly back up my WordPress site for security? 5. ChatGPT prompt for WordPress SSL certification. How do I implement an SSL certificate for my WordPress website? 6. ChatGPT prompt for WordPress user roles and permissions. Can you explain the different user roles in WordPress and how to set proper permissions? 7. ChatGPT prompt for WordPress firewall protection. Which WordPress security plugins offer the best firewall protection? 8. ChatGPT prompt for WordPress database security. How can I secure my WordPress database against potential threats? 9. ChatGPT prompt for WordPress malware scanning. What are the top tools or plugins for scanning and removing malware from my WordPress site? 10. ChatGPT prompt for WordPress updates and patches. Why is it essential to regularly update WordPress core, themes, and plugins for security? By addressing these prompts with ChatGPT, users can obtain guidance and recommendations to fortify their WordPress sites against potential threats and vulnerabilities. Remember, success comes to those who take action. Sign up now by clicking the link in the description below to download 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts and experience the power of ChatGPT prompts for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content.